Are you a busy person who loves dogs? Let's face it, we all adore those wagging tails and puppy eyes, but sometimes worry about not having the time to give them the care they deserve. Fear not, today we'll dive into the world of low-maintenance dog breeds. These breeds are perfect for those of us who have a lot on our plate, but still yearn for canine companionship. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore some of the best low-maintenance dog breeds perfect for your busy life. First on our list is the Basset Hound. Known for their droopy ears and soulful eyes, Basset Hounds are a breed that's hard to resist. They're calm, friendly, and incredibly low maintenance. These dogs are perfectly content to lounge around the house, making them ideal for those who don't have the time or energy for long walks or vigorous play sessions. Basset Hounds are also quite independent. They don't require constant attention, and they're not prone to separation anxiety. This makes them a great choice for busy individuals or families who are frequently out of the house. And when it comes to grooming, their short, dense coat requires minimal upkeep. Next up, we have the Bulldog. Don't let their tough exterior fool you. Bulldogs are some of the most laid-back dogs out there. They're known for their low energy levels and their love of a good nap. Like the Basset Hound, Bulldogs are not high-energy dogs, meaning they don't require intense exercise. A few short walks a day are usually enough to keep them happy and healthy. Lastly, let's talk about the Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are tiny dogs with big personalities. Despite their small size, they're full of spirit and character, but what makes them low maintenance is their minimal grooming needs. Their short coat doesn't require much care, and they don't need a lot of exercise due to their size. These dogs are great for busy individuals, but we have more to share, so stay tuned. Next up, we have the Greyhound. Don't let their racing reputation fool you. These dogs are surprisingly low energy and are often referred to as 45-month couch potatoes. Greyhounds enjoy lounging around just as much as they love a good sprint. They are also quiet, clean, and generally low maintenance, making them a great choice for busy folks. Now let's talk about the Shih Tzu. This breed is known for its adaptability and low exercise requirements. Shih Tzus are typically happy-go-lucky dogs that are content with a short walk and some playtime each day. Their long, beautiful coats do require regular grooming, but many owners opt for a puppy cut that keeps the hair short and manageable. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dachshund. Nicknamed the sausage dog for its distinct long body and short legs, this breed is known for its moderate energy levels and low grooming needs. Dachshunds are friendly and affectionate, and they don't require a ton of exercise. A couple of short walks a day will usually keep them happy and healthy. These breeds prove that owning a dog doesn't have to be time-consuming. But before we end, let's summarize what we've learned. Let's recap the low-maintenance dog breeds suitable for busy folks. We've traveled through a world of breeds, from the independent and adaptable Basset Hound, the calm and companionable Shih Tzu, to the lovable and low-energy Bulldog. Each breed, unique in its own way, carries traits that make them a perfect fit for those with a hectic schedule. We've also highlighted the easygoing nature of the Chihuahua, the French Bulldog's minimal exercise needs, and the Boston Terrier's low grooming requirements. And let's not forget the Dachshund with its small size and equally small exercise needs, or the Greyhound, known for being a fast racer but also a surprisingly lazy couch potato. The importance of matching a dog's needs with your lifestyle cannot be overstated. It's the cornerstone of a happy and healthy relationship with your furry friend. A dog that fits seamlessly into your life will be a joy, not a burden. So, whether you're drawn to the playful charm of a pug, the gentle demeanor of a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, or the quiet and reserved nature of a Basenji, remember that every breed has its own unique traits and needs. I encourage you to dive deeper into the world of these breeds, to find that perfect companion who'll happily fit into your busy life. Remember, even low-maintenance dogs need love, care, and attention. So make sure you're ready for the commitment, and be sure to click on the links in the description for excellent cruelty-free online dog training and healthy dog food deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those tails wagging.